Did you know that your eligibility for an education loan is not just about getting admission to a university? Banks and NBFCs consider multiple factors before approving your education loan, and understanding these can make or break your chances of getting your loan approved. Whether you are planning to study in India or abroad, knowing how lenders evaluate your profile can help you prepare better and even secure better loan terms. Hi everyone, I am Simran, co-founder at EpicRed and your trusted guide through the education loan process. At EpicRed, we help students like you to find the best education loan options by comparing multiple banks, NBFCs and international lenders so that you don't have to run from one lender to another. In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about education loan eligibility, who can apply, how banks decide whether to approve your loan or not, and what you can do to improve your chances of getting the loan approved. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll be sharing some expert tips that can give your loan application a serious boost. So let's start with the basics first. Who is eligible for an education loan? In general, to apply for an education loan in India, you need to be an Indian citizen and you must have secured admission to a recognized institution. The course that you are enrolling in also matters because banks prefer professional and job-oriented courses like engineering, medicine, management and law. If you are applying for a domestic education loan, the amount you will get will depend on the college or the university's total fees, among other factors. Lenders often evaluate your past academic performance as well as the ranking of your university that you are going to. But what if you are planning to study abroad? Well, in that case, things work a little differently. Lenders will not only look at the country you are going to, but also look at the ranking of your university and the job prospects of your chosen course. Government banks require collateral for higher loan amounts, typically for loans above 7.5 lakh rupees. However, if you are opting for a loan without collateral, lenders will pay close attention to your academic background, choice of university, and the co-applicant's financial stability. Speaking of co-applicants, this is a crucial factor that many students overlook. Your co-applicant, usually a parent or the guardian, plays a major role in determining your loan approval. If you have a stable income and good credit history, it significantly improves your chances. On the other hand, if the financial situation is weak, you might either face rejection or end up with a higher interest rate. Now, what if your academic scores are not that great? Or what if you have an education gap? Don't worry, there are always ways to improve your loan eligibility. Generally, lenders prefer students who have scored at least 60% in their previous exams. But that's not a hard and fast rule. If you have strong entrance exam scores like GRE, GMAT, IELTS, they can help balance out slightly lower academic marks. Similarly, if you have had backlogs in the past, make sure that you clear them and provide a valid reason for any education gaps. For example, if you had a medical emergency or financial constraints, writing a letter explaining your situation can actually strengthen your case. Apart from academics, another key factor is your credit score, especially for your co-applicant. If you have a credit score above 700, the lenders will see you as a low-risk borrower and you're likely to get better interest rate. If their score is low, it's best to clear any pending debts before applying for the loan. Work experience can also boost your eligibility. If you have worked for a couple of years before applying for a master's degree, some lenders may consider that a positive factor, making them more open to offering you a loan without collateral. So now if you are worried about whether you meet the eligibility criteria, here is the good news. You can take specific steps to improve your chances of getting your education loan approved. So let's go over some practical strategies that can help boost your education loan eligibility. First, improve your academic profile. Banks and NBFCs consider your academic performance before approving a loan. If your grades are low, focus on improving your scores in the entrance exams like GRE, GMAT, IELTS, TOEFL, as high scores in these tests can sometimes outweigh weaker past performance. Second, strengthen your co-applicant's profile. If your co-applicant has a low credit score or unstable income, this can negatively impact your chances of getting your loan approved So before applying for a loan, make sure that they clear any pending debt and try to improve their credit score before applying. A co-applicant with a strong financial background increases your approval chances and helps you secure a lower interest rate. Third, opt for a collateral-based loan if possible. If your unsecured loan application is facing hurdles, consider pledging a collateral like property, fixed deposit or LIC policies, because secured loans are easier to get approved and usually come with a lower interest rate. Fourth, apply to high-ranking universities. Lenders prefer students enrolling in the reputed institutions because they assume better job prospects after graduation. If your university is ranked higher, your chances of the loan approval and even getting the better loan terms improve significantly. Fifth, reduce the existing liabilities before applying. If you and your co-applicant already have multiple ongoing loans, bank may hesitate to approve a new one. So paying off some of your existing loans or reducing outstanding debts before applying can enhance your eligibility. 6. Choose the right lender. Different lenders have different eligibility criteria. Some may have strict academic requirements, whilst others might be more flexible. Comparing multiple lenders before applying helps you find the one that fits your profile. Now that you know how to improve your loan eligibility, let's quickly go over the application process. Once you are sure you meet the basic requirements, the next step is gathering all the necessary documents. Lenders will typically ask you for the admission letter, academic records, income proof of your co-applicant, and if applicable, the collateral documents as well. Once you submit your application, the lender will evaluate your profile and either approve, reject, or request additional documents. This process can take anywhere from few days to a few weeks, depending upon the lender and how complex your case is. But here is the thing, applying for an education loan can be overwhelming, especially when different lenders have different rules. This is where Epicred can make your life easier. At Epicred, we help students like you to check your eligibility for an education loan in just few minutes. Our experts can guide you through the entire process, from selecting the right lender to ensuring you submit all the correct documents. And the best part is, we help you compare multiple lenders so that you get the best loan offer without wasting time running from bank to bank, and that too at zero cost. So if you are planning to apply for an education loan, don't leave it to a guesswork. Click the link in the description and check your eligibility instantly, and let Epicred help you secure the best loan deal for your study. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more expert tips on education financing. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box. We would love to help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.